In a world where no one knew how to make bread except for this one dude on the internet, it all started with his nuclear sourdough starter.
So this is Patrick. I've been taking care of him for like, I don't know, 6 years. He drinks my water. He doesn't pay rent. It's a really abusive relationship. Like, I can't handle much of it too much longer. I just feel like he's using me and I don't get anything out of the relationship, but he only just makes bread. That's all he wants to do. Breaking news of Southern California. Top story this evening. A young man has died of flour inhalation. It seems he was making bread at every waking hour of the day, and he just inhaled too much of that flour, and eventually it gave him some sort of asthma, and from the symptoms he has actually perished. This is a very unfortunate turn of events. Jerry is on scene. Could you give us an update?
Don't worry, it's more important that you pay attention to the texture and just add a little bit of water until you get to the right point. Then you're gonna put it to sleep for about an hour and let it auto-lease.
Well, funny story actually. Jerry is related to a tortoise, so he talks very slowly, but we're gonna get through this evening. So as I see here, it appears the man is folding his dough north, south, east, and west. He's building up those gluten strands in preparation for boules. Tony's on scene. Could you give us an update, please?
This is like 2 inches thick. You know how freaking solid this is? You could whack a guy with
Tony,
this.
stop. You can't say that on air. You know you're on air.
Hey, all right. Okay, anyway, so you're gonna dust this guy with some flour. You're gonna put him in a banneton with a handkerchief. And what this is gonna do is absorb some of the moisture and get a better crust. All right, so you flip it over. You tie your shoelaces. You roll them up like a carpet, and you put them in face down, all right? You put them in the dirt. The bread wrap.
We gotta put these breads in the refrigerator, put them in the plastic bag banneton. Oh, you say you wanna have some fun, hun? Or put your buns in the oven, hun?
This is actually the best part of the recipe. So you're gonna take your bannetons out of the refrigerator. You're gonna dump the loaf right side up into the Dutch oven onto the bottom part. This next step's actually Tony's favorite part, so we'll just let him tell you. I'm gonna cut him up. Now this is the fun part, you know what I mean? We're gonna cut this guy. Now you're gonna enjoy this process. After 20 minutes in the oven, he's gonna be puffed up. He's gonna be looking choochie. He's gonna be looking sexy. But after another 20 minutes, he's gonna be looking even better. He's gonna be looking like a fresh tux, newly bought. Look at that. Oh, it's even steaming.